What if I told you that 2025 could be the year you transform your life? Financially, emotionally, and even socially. Imagine waking up each morning not dreading the 9-to-5 grind, but instead pursuing side hustles that bring you income and freedom. Sounds exciting, right? But here's the thing. While opportunities are everywhere, they're slipping through your fingers because you're waiting for the right moment. The right moment is now. Stick around because in the next 10 minutes, I'm not just giving you ideas, I'm showing you a blueprint to start. Ready to dive in? Let's go. But first, let me ask you, how many times have you Googled how to make extra money and closed the tab because it felt overwhelming? Let's fix that today. 1. Freelance writing. Love to write? Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are brimming with clients desperate for blog posts, product descriptions, and even tweets. Don't think you're Hemingway? Don't worry. Tools like Grammarly have got your back. Here's a secret. Many freelancers charge over $50 an hour with zero prior experience. Still think your English class wasn't worth it? Did you know that Stephen King's first job was as a janitor? If he can mop floors and still write Carrie, you can handle this. 2. Print on demand. No inventory, no headaches. Print on demand is the hustle where you design t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags, and companies like Printify handle the rest. The best part? Your designs don't have to win an art award. Funny quotes and simple graphics sell. Imagine earning while you sleep as your designs go viral. Exciting, isn't it? And speaking of earning while you sleep, this next hustle could literally pay your rent. 3rd, Airbnb experiences. You don't need a house to profit from Airbnb. Offer experiences like city tours, cooking classes, or photography sessions. Think you're not an expert? Remember, a tourist doesn't need a Michelin-starred chef. They need you to show them the local gems. And no, Netflix Binge Buddy isn't a legit experience. Yet. 4. Social media management. Small businesses desperately need someone to manage their Instagram or TikTok. Guess who's already a pro? You, after scrolling for hours every day. With AI tools like Canva and Hootsuite, you can handle content creation like a boss. Bonus points if you can do this from the beach. Now let's talk about the hustle that's turning ordinary folks into six-figure earners. 5. Online tutoring. Whether it's English, math, or even guitar lessons, platforms like VIPKid and Preply let you teach online. You don't need a degree, you just need to know a little more than the person paying you. Trust me, the demand for tutors is skyrocketing. Did you know the average online tutor earns more than some entry-level corporate jobs? Let that sink in. 6. Flipping thrift. Head to Goodwill or yard sales, snag undervalued gems, and resell them on eBay or Poshmark. Ever heard of Gary Vee? He turned this into an art form. Here's the catch. Patience is your profit multiplier. But what if you could flip something even easier than thrift finds? Keep watching. 7. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products you already love. Websites like Amazon Associates make it a breeze to share links. And here's the kicker. You can do this passively. Share once, earn forever. It's like being paid to recommend your favorite snacks. I mean, who wouldn't? 8. Virtual assistant. Businesses need help with emails, scheduling, and admin tasks. All you need is an internet connection and basic organizational skills. This is one of the easiest ways to break into remote work. And if you're wondering what's next, we're about to level up. 9. Dropshipping. Start an online store without holding any inventory. Shopify makes it easy, and suppliers ship directly to your customers. The catch? You'll need to master marketing, but the rewards can be massive. 10. Content creation. Whether it's TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, content creation is a goldmine. Share what you know or entertain. You're already consuming content daily. Why not make it and get paid? Let's be real. We all want to be the next viral sensation. Why not you? So there you have it, 10 side hustles to kickstart your journey in 2025. Whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building wealth, These opportunities are waiting for you to take action. Before you dive into your next hustle, remember, saving is the foundation of financial freedom. Check out my video, Start Saving, 5 Simple Steps, linked right here. Let's build your dream life, one step at a time.